Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel, Philip Suson. Na headline na naman sa V-Man Southeast Asia Magazine. Ito nga ang headline title, Review, Philip scorches the boundaries of P-pop with Soul4. Making his debut as fully independent solo act, the multi-talented artist unleashes a dark, volcanic fusion of heavy rock and razor-sharp rap. Grabe, inihintulad si Ken sa isang volcanic fusion with heavy rock. Ito talaga ang pinakamatindi na definition ng V-Man kay Philip. Philip establishes himself as a musical architect by prioritizing raw mood over radio-friendly hooks. By abandoning commercial safety nets and blending unconventional P-pop elements, the track delivers his most authentic, deliberate work to date. Lyrically, the song serves as a defiant manifesto for this new era. It emphasizes that his solo identity is entirely independent of his group work, allowing him to channel raw emotion into powerful anthems. Ultimately, this single is a turning point for Philip and to the local industry by prioritizing by niche influences over pop expectations. He establishes a new benchmark for artistic autonomy in the Philippines. Philip, also known as SB19's Ken, is transforming Southeast Asian pop with his surprise single Soul4, skewing commercial norms. This volcanic release immersed listeners in a dark, fierce, and cinematic sonic landscape. Soul4 evolves Philip's solo sound by replacing standard electronic pop with heavy rock guitars and live percussion. His deep vocal shaped between intense rap and gritty melodies, creating a distinct sonic evolution. Grabe ang definition, ang meaning ng vocal ni Ken at ang kanyang new album, new music. Additionally, crucially, Soul4 marks Philip's debut as a fully independent artist. This independence empowers him to take significant creative risks, move beyond pop convention into avant-garde territory, and assert absolute artistic control. Narito ang sinabi ng V-Man about Soul4. Soul4 establishes an upbeat tone for Philip's solo work, serving as a prologue to his 90-minute showcase of Shooting Gallery Studios in Makati City. The track offers fans a dark, sensory-heavy experience. The studio recording suggests the live performance will be a high-energy masterclass. Yes, will be a high-energy masterclass. Its aggressive riffs and heavy percussion are ideal for an intimate venue, offering a first-hand look at how Philip's independent era translate to the stage. As his concert nears, Soul4 solidifies Philip's reputation as a boundary-pushing artist. This release signals a dark, bold direction for his independent career, promising that his future solo project will remain equally impactful. Soul4 marks a monumental career milestone as Philip's first official release as an independent solo artist. The track breaks conventional P-pop boundaries by aggressively fusing heavy rock elements with intense hip-hop and rap. Lyrically and visually, the song stays true to the artist's signature rebellious, bold and gritty thematic identity. This surprise drop shows immense musical maturity following his acclaimed 2023 EP Complex and 2024 album 7 Sins. The highly anticipated single serves as the perfect high-energy prelude to his upcoming solo concert in Makati City, Philippines. Kaya naman, super excited lahat para sa kanilang event na Soul4 na mapapanood sa Makati live. Ito yung pinaka-personalized, customized, grabe ang dedication, artistry. It's all about dark, very mysterious yung album ni Ken o itong event niya sa Makati City. At sabi nila, parang medyo nakakatakot, yung parang gusto mo mag-predict kung anong mangyayari at sobrang lalim, sobrang heavy metals, dark, yun nga sabi ko. Pero sabi nila daw, maraming komento about kay Ken, yung parang maging interesado ka sa kanya, gusto mo as a fans o certified 18, gusto mo mag-dive so deep para malaman kung ano yung nasa loob ni Ken, ano pang kaya niyang gawin as a artist. Sabi nila, kahit gaano ka perfect o ka flawless ang isang tao, mayroon talagang dark side. Ito yun parang may dark side si Ken, pero in positive way. Wala siyang naapakan, wala siyang naapektuhang mga tao. Instead, maraming umahanga sa kanya kasi nilabas lang niya yung totoong talent niya, yung totoong craft niya. Dahil yun ang gusto niya Mysterious, heavy metals at dark song kumbaga. Base nga noon sa interview niya, may mga issue na ginamit lang daw di umano niya ang grupong SB19 para sumikat. Kasi yung kanta o genre ng SB19 ay talagang totally magkaiba sa kanyang song na talagang gustong-gusto niya as a solo artist. Sabi ko nga, Ken is a rare but unique artist. Maraming salamat V-Man, Southeast Asian. Talagang sinabihan nila si Ken na architect for his own works, music, career, album, ito nga Soul4, talagang pulido, talagang siya mismo, hands-on si Ken. Grabe din nagbigay ng definition or meaning ang B-Man sa Soul4 na to. Talagang eksakto, point talaga na dark, volcanic fusion, heavy metals, rock, at andyan na lahat. At syempre, ang nakaka-touch, sabihan si Ken na an architect for his own music. O, di ba? Talagang nakaka-touch at syempre, nakaka-proud bilang isang probinsyano na taga Mindanao ngayon. Ang layo na narating, very successful, na mold talaga yung gustong gawin niyang karera o genre ng musika ay talagang ginawa niya hands-on. Siya talaga ang may touch na Ken or Philip ang album niya at sa bawat song na ginagawa niya at mga album. Lastly, sa kabila ng pagiging gwapo, perfect, misteryoso, very talented, mabait, mayroon talagang dark side si Ken. Pero dark side in the way na positive, good, at walang naapakang tao. Kasi doon sa masaya. 'Di ba, mas maganda yung artist ka, ikaw mismo mag-put up ng iyong artistry sa iyong gagawing obra para kontento ka, masaya at ma-share mo sa lahat ng mga fans mo kung ano yung totoong talent mo na wala kang naapakang tao, good yung talent mo, hindi siya yung nag-manipulate ng mga tao at nang-aapak. Yun yung maganda, masaya ka din.